Okay, I just opened up a pattern from the Lacala website. This is like a halter top. It has like the, I guess, pattern name and stuff, but we can actually delete that with this tool right here, the Z tool, letter Z. It's a good one to just memorize by heart. We use Z a lot, A and X. So I could just like click and drag and like delete this stuff. We don't really need it. Um, Probably just clean it up. I'd probably do it to all of it. But anyways, the pattern Grainline, you want to go up to your toggle menu. This is just, it's called a toggle menu. They have it on the 3D side and the 2D side. And you can view things on and off. So right here, this is the symbol for Grainline. Right now, mine is off. So if I click it, there's a little blue dot. Now that means it's showing my Grainline, and I see it right here. So right now, my Grainline is up and down. I can click the property editor, the object browser. Now let me select my pattern piece so it knows what I'm talking about. And right away, here's the name. The name is Shape 2D, right? Not the best name. So maybe I call it like halter front. So you can name your pattern piece there. Now I don't see the name on the pattern. So again, let's check out the toggle menu. Boom, I can hit name. Okay, it says top main. Is that what I called it? Oh, I called it halter front. That's kind of weird. Show pattern name. That I'm kind of surprised about why it's calling it top main. I'll have to figure out why. But the name is actually halter front. I think when we print the pieces, it will say halter front, but I'm kind of confused why it's saying halter main or top main. Sorry. I'll have to look into that one. I don't know why it's doing that. But anyways, this is the name of the pattern piece. It's in property editor. Now here's the grain line. Let's say for some reason we wanted to change the grain line. I think you can in the property editor. I'm kind of scrolling through. Okay, I don't see it right now. But really the real way where you're supposed to do it is this edit texture tool. This to me was kind of weird. Let's see here. And okay, see, I just clicked the grain line and I can hover over the top of it and I can move it. So I can like hold shift if I want, all that good stuff. And then I do know somewhere in the property editor, gosh guys, it's been a while, so I'm a little rusty. You can actually type in the actual degree of it. So I'm not sure why I'm not finding that right now. I'm trying to look. Dun, 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 dun. Yeah, I'm not seeing. Oh, here it is. Grain direction. It was in property editor. I don't know why I missed it the first time. So let's say we want 0 degrees. What's that going to do, right? Back, up, and down. So you can actually type it in. You're like, no, I want 45 degrees. Oh, dear. Having trouble selecting. It's at the 45-degree angle. So, so you can either type it in at the property editor or you can manually spin it with this edit texture tool. That took me a while to really remember. It's an edit texture. We use this tool a lot for like prints and other things, but Grainline is there too for whatever reason. Anyways, I hope that helps. I'll have to get back to why this is called top main. Okay, but I guess this video will do for now.